See now, we are doing next chapter linear equation in two variable. Just write next chapter name. Linear equation in two variable. What is called variable? What is called variable? One word is the variable and one word is the constant. One word is variable and one word is constant. So what is variable and what is constant? Generally, it's not every time true, but generally, correct na? Generally, last alphabets. Last alpha, BETES, right? Last alphabets are the variables like X, Y, Z, correct na? Acha. Then one word is called constant. Correct? Constant are the first alphabets. Beginning alphabets like A, B, C. Correct? Last chapter what I told? Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So here a, b, c was what? Constant. A, b, c was constant. X was the variable. A, b, c was the constant. X was the variable. Correct? Yes or no? Get to know what is constant and what is variable. Here saying two variable. So either xy will come, yz will come. Here like last alphabets all like P, Q, R. Correct? All sometimes all will come in the variable. Get to know? So here you should learn linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. So how it will be? Like see, x plus y is equal to 0. Correct? I can took 1, 2, 3, 4 whatever number you want. Make it, doesn't matter for us. Correct na? Make it like x plus y is equal to 8. So this is called the linear equation. Achha, why it is linear? Why it is linear? You get to know this two variable meaning. What is this linear? What is this? Linear. Linear means degree should be 1 only. Linear means a degree should be 1 only. Because if become 2 means it is quadratic. Means it is quadratic. But 1 means linear. Degree should be 1 only. It's called linear. Getting? Yes or no? Get to know what is linear, what is quadratic. Sit. Acha. Now first we will try to do the graph of this. We will try to do the graph. Then we can able to understand better. Here take some small number like 2. Correct. You can take 8 also, but length will be big, so only I am saying to make it small. So for doing the graph, what you will do?
Put a box.
Our dabba method.
Yes, sir.
Make a box. Then for the quadratic, you should make dabba, and this dabba should be big, and here minimum
X.
7 8 value should be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct na? In this one minimum 7 8 value should be there. But in this situation maximum 2 value. Maximum, if more than 2 also okay. More than 2, 2 value, but not maximum. Minimum is to take 2. Minimum is to take 2. If you take more than 2, it's your waste of time. No profit. If you take more than 2, it is your waste of time. And guarantee one question will be there from here to draw the graph of linear equation. You have the question paper, right? So here 100% one question will be there every year. I am talking 4 marks. Give anyone.
No sir. It's Kannada.
Sorry, here ask for the 2 marks. See, this is just for solving, but one place it will for graph also.
Sorry, there in 4 marks.
Every year it will be there. How this people print the question paper also, this how good page is there. See, find the solution of linear equation by graphically method. Getting
4 marks.
4 marks, 4 marks. If you can see,
Yes sir.
4 marks, right? This much easy question you will get, for this you will get 4 marks. Correct? And don't know how here people do this one also wrong. Easiest question I feel of this full question paper. No mind is required. Getting? So just learn. In the introduction only that 4 marks learn now. See, so whatever equation we get, whatever equation you got, make first table. Make first table. Then what you do? First put x is equal to 0. First put x is equal to 0 and get the value of y. So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2.
Yes sir.
Now put y is equal to 0. Now put y is equal to
0.
So x is equal to 2. What coordinates we get? 0, 2 and 2, 0. I told first will be x, then it will be y. First x, then y. Yes, na? Assume this point number A, a point number B. Correct. Now how to represent on the graph? Actually I have told you this all things, but even then again I am talking. In exam this arrow is must. In the exam this arrow is must. While learning for fast, if you don't do also it's okay. But in exam this arrow is must. Now this side is the positive. This side is the,
Positive.
this is,
Positive. Negative.
this is,
Negative.
this is also negative. Here is x, this is y. This is called x dash, this is called y dash. Correct na? Then this also I told. Here is the plus, here is the plus, here is the plus, here is the. So in this quadrant, in this quadrant, actually this is called first quadrant, this is called second, this is, and this is fourth quadrant. Correct. Now in the first quadrant, x is also positive, y is also positive. X is also positive, y is also positive. In the second quadrant, and remember we will write first x then y. First x then y. Means them remember it. If you written first y then x, then think you will be getting Nobel Prize. Correct.
Yes sir.
Correct. It means you only make Nobel Prize of slipper and you only will wear, right? Getting? So first x then y. Acha. Here x first is the x quadrant. First is the x. So x means minus x. Here x is minus, right? Y is
Less.
plus. So x comma y. Here x is what? Minus. Y is so minus x
Minus 1.
minus y. Here x is
Less.
plus x. Y is get to know? Yes na? So this is the third quadrant. This is the this is first, this is second. Getting? How it will be distributed? Just sometime question will ask minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 in which quadrant it will come? Like they will give you 10, 12 quadrant and they will just say you to write the name of the quadrant. Like -2 plus 4. Which quadrant? See?
Second one.
Second quadrant.
If I ask -3 -4,
Third.
Third quadrant.
getting or not? If you not speak now, don't think you can learn, man.
Hello, sir.
Or speak. See, if I ask +2 plus 3,
First one.
First quadrant.
+2 plus 3, correct? And when I seen this kind of question in the 10th standard, I get shocked. In the 10th standard question of this all things people ask. But people ask and for that you will get number also.
No, they were answers.
Correct? How much easy is that? Getting? So can you able to find like which quadrant is what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? Because just to remember, first x, then y. This is x, this is y. This side positive, this side
Negative.
negative. This side positive, this side
Negative.
over. Getting na? Now mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 का था.
Answer 1, 2, 3, 4.
But this side minus.
Minus, sir.
Correct. And here
Minus 1.
Minus.
Minus 2. Minus 3. Minus
because here y is minus. Right. Other thing also you know on x axis value of y. Here y is equal to what?
0.
Always 0. Here x is equal to what?
0.
Always 0. Correct. On x axis value of y is always 0. On y axis value of x
Always 0.
always 0. Right now? Now just represent. We have get 1 point. This is called coordinate system. One coordinate what we get? 0, 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 0 where it comes? On x axis or y axis? X is equal to 0. On x or on y?
Y axis.
Y axis. See? Written also. X is equal to 0 where? On y axis. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Is that this point is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? So this point I write here 0, 2. Or we will write here a because we have given name as a.
Yes, sir.
Correct, na? If you don't give the name, you lose your marks. Correct.
Yes, sir.
You have to write this 0, 2. What this coordinate name is there that you have to write. A, B you write or not doesn't matter, but this you have to write.
0,
Correct. Next coordinate is what? 2, 0. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Here y is equal to 0 also. So this point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? Mention here 2, 0. And name is what? B. Now we get 2 points. We got just simply by free hand join it. Don't use a scale. Just free hand join it. Correct. For linear equation, I told you before, always you will get a straight line only. This all things before doing the quadratic equation graph I have told you, right? Yes, na? So just one more time revision for you. I told you this all 3 chapter are only one. Quadratic, linear and quadratic equation, polynomial one chapter, right? Acha. So you get to know one line? Yes or no? In this only thing, one more equation is given. 2x plus y is equal to 4. Correct. How is seen in that question? 2 equations are there, right? So one equation is this and one equation is this. Correct. For this what we will do again? Correct. Here x, here y. One time x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 is 0. This one is getting or not? How we get 0?
2 into 2.
2 into 0 is 0. So y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 1 time put y is equal to 0. So if y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2. So how much? 4 by 2. Correct? 4 by 2 is 2. So what we get here? 0, 4 and 2, 0. First x then y. First x then y. Getting? Yes or no? Acha. So if you want to give name, assume this is C, assume this is D. Now this also represent 0, 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 0, x is equal to
0.
y is equal to 4. This point? Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
0, 4. Point number C, I think, right? Acha, next this one. 2, 0. 2 comma 0. So 2 comma 0 is this only. So just 2 comma 0 and point number C.
D, sir.
D, sir.
Acha, D. Correct. Again we get 2 point, this point and again whatever point we get,
Join.
sorry, it will come from here. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct na?
Yes, sir.
So, and after that, after drawing the graph, make arrow. This line from where you get? You get from x plus y is equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
Mention it. This line from where you get?
2x.
2x plus y is equal to 4. So this also mention. Correct?
Sir.
Get to know? For doing this thing you will get 4 marks. See?
Simple then.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Acha. Now, after that what is there? Little bit. Where this point is cutting? This both line is cutting, meeting on 2 comma 0.
Yes, sir.
Means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Means this is the value of the equation. Value means answer. Value of x and value of y. Where these two lines are meeting, that is the solution of that equation. Solution of that equation. Getting? Where these two lines are meeting, correct na? That is called the solution of that equation. Let's check it. Correct. Like our equation is what? X plus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 2 and next equation is what?
2x plus y is equals to 0. 4.
Where are you, man? And that too, it's visible to only one person in this match. See, so how to solve this kind of equation? Try to cancel any one variable. Try to cancel any one variable. So see, this both are same only.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just doing minus. Because if you do plus y and minus y, it get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this get cancelled. What remain here? Minus of x
Yes, sir.
is equal to minus of 2
Yes, sir.
plus 2 minus 4 plus 2.
Minus, sir.
So minus 2. Minus get cancelled. X is equal to
2.
2. Yes or no? Now this x put either in the equation number 1 or equation number 2. Doesn't matter. Whichever you want you can put. I am putting in first one. X plus y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is already we have get
Yes, sir.
2 plus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 minus 2. Y is equal to 0.
0.
See, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, what we get value from the graph, after solving also we have get the
Same value.
same thing.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood each and everything?
Yes, sir.
Copy it fast. See, so we are learning about the line, that too straight line. That too straight line means whatever you do, if equation is like linear, if equation is
Linear.
100% you will get a straight line only. Straight line only. Like x axis and y axis. X axis and
Y-axis.
so either you can get line like this, you have seen now, line like this, seen also, right? You can get line like this, yes na? You can get line full of straight only, either here a straight, here a straight, here a straight, here a straight, but you will get a straight line only. Straight line. For the linear you will get a straight line only. This you remember, correct na? Acha. And next last chapter we studied what was that? Quadratic.
Quadratic.
I told whatever you get will get
U.
U shape only. Now U can be upward, U can be downward, either it can touching at 2 place or 1 place or not touching.
Anywhere.
This only thing, right? So for quadratic you will get graph like this, and for linear you will get graph 100% straight line. 100%
Straight line.
straight line. Acha. So what is the equation of a straight line? Equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight
Line.
line. Generally we say y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c, where this c is constant. C is
Constant.
xy is what?
Variable.
Variable.
Xy is the variable.
Yes, sir.
Xy is the variable. What is m? What is this m?
Variable.
I told y, x and c. What is this m?
Square.
Slope.
No.
M is called the slope, but slope is not required in the 10th standard. Correct. You will learn next like when you go to next year 11th standard, that time it's required. Correct. Actually slope means tan theta. Tan theta. Correct na? Slope means this. If this is x axis and this is y axis, so this line is going on this slope, right? This line is going on this slope, means how much is tilt. Getting that we can get by the tan theta. So actually this one not required now, but remember y is equal to mx plus c. See, and see how this equation is there. Can we say y is equal to y?
Is equal to.
This is the constant, so I'm writing plus 2. I'm writing plus 2. X will come this side. X will come.
This side.
So minus x minus
X.
x means minus 1 is the slope. Compare this to y is equal to mx plus c. So this is your m, this is your
C.
c. Y is equal to mx plus
C.
c. Getting? Acha. Now we have learned, if equation is there, then how to do the graph. If equation is there, then how to do the graph. Acha. So from equation you get 2 coordinate, right? From equation you do the dabba, and then you will get the 2 coordinate, right? So if coordinate is given, and saying to draw the graph or draw the equation, from coordinate you can draw the graph easily, but from coordinate how will get the equation? Coordinate means think a is given 2, 0, like last question. Correct. From here you should bring here. Correct. This kind of question also can be asked. Correct. So how to reach from here to here? For that time you will require this thing. For that time you required y is equal to mx plus c. But we'll do it after doing many things. In the last we'll do this kind of topic. Just once remind me in the last. Correct. Now learn how can be then different types of graph. Different types of graph. Graph will be 100% a straight line only, but in that also how it can be different. Getting? Chalo. So this is copied. Now I am giving one equation. Equation 1 is 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2. This equation is given, question is given, and saying to draw the graph. So what I told, we'll write first equation and we'll make a box. Yes na?
Tumba method.
X, Y.
Next, x plus y is equal to 2, and for this also we'll make dabba. Yes or no? Correct?
Sir.
Yes or no? Means x, y, x is equal to 2. 2 or 0. See, you can put the any value, doesn't matter. You can put any value, but just I am saying first make 0. Because if you put 0, simplification will be more easy. It's not like that you have to put 0 only. If you put 0, simplification will be easy because no need to add and subtract. Simply one term directly becomes 0. Yes na? So 2y is equal to 4. So y is equal to how much? 2.
Yes, sir.
2y is equal to 4, so y is equal to 2. Acha, now make y is equal to 0.
Sir.
Y is equal to,
0.
so if this becomes 0, x is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to again 2. So what coordinate we get? 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 0. Getting? Acha, see here, x y
0.
x
Y.
y. Now x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
So see here we get both coordinates same. Yes or no? Here also 0 comma 2, 2 comma 0. Correct na? This one draw on the graph. X
Y.
y. Correct na? See if, wait, I do only 1 2 1 2.
Minus 1.
Correct na? So what we have? 0 comma 2, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, y is equal to this point,
Yes, sir.
and y is equal to, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. So this will be, this point is what? Coordinate is what?
0 by
And 0 comma 2, and this is 2 comma
0.
0, and line will go like this. Correct na? If I do other one also will go on this line only. Correct? This will also be not vary. This is a mistake. Getting? It will go on the same line only because coordinates are
Same.
same. Coordinates are
Same.
same. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Copy it. See one more question. 2x plus 4y is equal to 12 and x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now how will do the graph? Do it fast. Do it, but see here. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 12 and x plus 2y is equal to 4.
4.
X plus 2y is equal to 4. Now I should do the box. Do the x y. Correct na? Here 4y, right? Acha. If I put x is equal to 0, x is equal to
0.
y is equal to 3, y is equal to
3.
3. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now put y is equal to 0, y is equal to
0.
x is equal to
2.
x is equal to 6.
6.
This one we will not getting how to calculate.
Got, sir.
This term becomes 0, so take this one this side. So 6 by 2, sorry, 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Yes or no? Acha. Next, x y. X is equal to,
0.
if I put x is equal to 0, y is equal to how much?
2.
2. Acha. Next, if y is equal to 0, x is equal to how much?
4.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This thing getting to calculate or not, many calculations I have taught till now. Yes na? So here 0 comma 3, 6 comma
0.
0. Here 0 comma 2, 4 comma
0.
0. We have get our coordinates.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes na? Now do the graph. Correct na? Now see, just draw. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 0, y is equal to x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3 means 0 comma 3.
Sir.
Yes na? Next. X is equal to 6, y is equal to
0.
x is equal to 6, y is equal to
0.
so 6 comma 0.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
We will draw the line. Correct? Next, come on next. X is equal to 2, y is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. X is equal to,
0.
y is equal to 2, this point,
Sir.
0 comma 2. Next. X is equal to 4, y is equal to
0.
this point.
Yes, sir.
Yes na? See? Getting?
Yes, sir.
See, after getting this one, we can see these two line will not meet only. This two line will not meet because here you can see it will meet here because if you extend here, but see line also you have drawn a little bit wrong. It should cross through directly this point. So we are doing on the board, so it's not possible, right? What not possible? Let's try. Correct? Yes na?
Yes, sir.
If you do by the pencil and
Okay.
But you should not. So only I say do it one time freehand. If you keep overwriting, it will becoming wrong only. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in this situation, you will not be getting any answer. In this situation, you will not be getting
Yes, sir.
any answer because both line becoming parallel. Both line becoming parallel. Getting? Last question what you learn? Both line are overlapped.
Overlocked.
One on one. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Correct na? How came? See? On one line only, both line also came on the same point. Correct? And other equation, other thing what you get, you will get something and something, cutting somewhere. Correct na?
One place.
Cutting somewhere or meeting at one place. Means you have seen three kinds of graph. Three kinds of
Graph.
one parallel, one parallel, one overlap, one meeting at a point. Correct na? Three kinds of things you seen. Acha. Now what do you do? Same is the equation for all. For this question, this graph, what are the question? For this graph, what are the question?
2x plus 2y is equal to 4.
2x plus 2y is equal to
4.
and
X plus y is equal to 2.
x plus y is equal to
2.
2. Acha. For this equation, what are the graph? So for this graph, what was the question? Read all.
X square plus 4 x square plus y is equal to 2.
X,
Square.
Square.
how a square will come, man? For a square graph will come this situation. You people copy it properly or not?
X plus y is equal to 2x. 2x plus y is equal to
X plus y is equal to
2.
2 and
2x
2x
plus 4
plus y is equal to
2x plus
y is equal
y
to
is
4.
equal to
4.
4.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So means you people have not copied also properly. How you can say a square, man?
7.
How you can do this kind of mistake? A square means graph will come like this. Here you are getting graph a straight line. You are saying a square. No mind only. See here. In this equation, this is your A, this is your
B.
B. A, B, and this is your
C.
C. Getting? A, B,
C.
C. A, B, C. Correct? Acha. Now write. I'm trying to write A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. This is A1, B1, C1. This is
A2.
A2,
B2. C2.
C2. Correct na? I'm trying to write A1, A2, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Just write. A1 is 1. If nothing, it means 1. 1 by 2. Here what we get? 1 by 1. 1 by. And here what we get?
2 by 4.
2 by 4. Correct na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. In this situation, I'm just trying to write A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. So here 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 4 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes na? Acha. In this situation also I'm trying to write. See, 2 by 1, 4 by
2.
2, 12 by
4.
4. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See? Now, is these two are equal? 1 by 2 and 1 by 1 is equal? No. This is not equal. Is these two are equal?
No, sir.
This is also not equal. Means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by
B2.
B2 is not equal to C1 by
C2.
C2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. In this equation, see, these two are actually equal.
1.
And this is also 4 by 2 means 2 2s are 4 means
2 1.
this is also same only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means this and this all are equal only.
Yes, sir.
All are
Equal.
means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by
C2.
C2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha. Come to this one. See, 2 2s are 4 means this is 2 by 1. This also 2 by 1.
Yes, sir.
This also 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. 3 cases we have get.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3 cases we have get. Yes or no? See? No ink only. Check it's visible in camera or not.
Yes, sir.
Visible. Acha. So here we have seen 3 kind of graph. 3 kind of graph. In that one, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 are not at all equal. Correct na? Not at all equal. In one situation, all are equal.
Yes, sir.
All are
Equal.
and one situation, 2 are equal and
One are equal. Not equal.
1 is not equal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now, in this kind of question, when A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 are not equal, we are getting somewhere pakka answer. I told where this both point is cutting, that is give the value of x. Value of x and y. So this is giving solution. Correct na? So can I write one solution here?
Yes, sir.
Pakka will get one solution there.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, acha. In this situation, we have all are equal. All are equals. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. See how the graph came? Both are overlapping.
Yes, sir.
Both are means if I say this as a solution, true? Because here also both point is meeting. Both point, 2 lines are meeting na. When what I told, if 2 lines are meeting at a point, that is called the solution. That is called the. Here also 2 lines meeting at a point. Here also 2 lines are meeting at a point. Here also 2 lines is meeting at a point. Here also 2 lines meeting at a point. Means full line, wherever you take, whichever point you take, that all are the solution only.
Equal solution.
Yes or no? All are meeting at a
Same point.
not same point. All are meeting at all points.
5 points.
Correct na? So either you say this solution, this solution, this solution, this solution. Whatever you say, that all are solution only. Means you will get infinite solution here. Or many solution. Correct na? Means whichever point you take, everywhere you will get solution only. So what do you get here?
Equal solution.
Infinite solution.
Infinite solution here.
Cannot count.
Yes, sir.
Yes na? Many solution you can get. Acha, here it's not cutting only. It's not cutting only, right? So we are not at all getting any solution.
Yes, sir.
We are not at all getting any solution. Means here no
No, sir.
solution. Getting? So by seeing the equation only, by seeing the equation only, like how it is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, how it is given, right? By seeing that only you can say we will get solution or we will not get solution. We will get solution or we will not get solution, or we will get the many solution.
Infinite.
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 Correct? Infinite number of solution. Get to know?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Chalo, copy it.